So, stem and leaf plot. The stem and leaf plot shows the marks achieved by 19 students in tests. Write down the range of the marks. Range of the marks is 84 take away 84 take away 22 is 62. Okay, range is done. Write down the value of the lower quartile. If there's 19 people, what is 1/4 of 19 people? 6 point. Sorry.
So I forget what the quarters are again.
First quarter.
It's who is 1/4 of the way. So you have 19 people, and when you divide 19 by 4, you find out which person is 1/4 of the way up. So it's 4.75. You can't have a 4.75 person, so it has to be the 5th person. So you circle the 5th person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower quartile is 47. The upper quartile is 3/4 of 19. 3/4 up the way. So what's 3/4 of 19? Yeah, I know that. It's just the actual answer. I'll just multiply this by 3. 14.25 it is. And 14.25 rounds up to D. You always round up for these. Remember I told you that? 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 67. What's the interquartile range, lads? 67 take away 47? 20, because the upper quartile is 67, the lower quartile is 47. 20. It's alright. Now, number 7. How many students took the exam? The results for examinations in maths and history for our class of students are shown back to back. So we're assuming that they took both the history and the maths exam, right? So this is 2, that's another 2, that's another 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 3, that's 2, 2 and 1. 11, 14, 19. I'm going for 19 students. Is that where everybody else got? And is there 19 history results as well? 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. That gives me 19 again. At least I think it does.
Where did you get 19?
I add them all up together. See the way there's one person who got 30, there's 4 people that got 40. I add all these up.
Yeah, but I added them from both sides.
Yeah, but they results in maths and history. It wouldn't be 38 because it's like you taking 2 tests. You took a history test and a maths test. You're not 2 people. You're 1 person, but you took 2 exams.
Alright, so I thought it was different.
Yeah. Okay. What's the range of marks in maths, lads? Maths is 91 minus 25. 66. Median mark in history, guys. The middle of history. 19 divided by 2 is. 19 divided by 2. Anybody? 9.5. What does that need to round up to? 10th. Who is the 10th person? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 64. What's the interquartile range in maths? So, what's the first quarter, lads? 19 divided by 4 is? Anybody? 4.25, you're right. 4.25 is Q1. It rounds up to 5th. Who's the 5th person? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. What's 3/4 of 19? 14.25. Rounds up to 15. Who's 3/4 of the way up? Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 71. What's the interquartile range? Anybody? Interquartile range? 71 minus 45 is?
26.
26. What does the interquartile range do again? Can anybody tell me? I think Mark Nolan, I think you asked me this before. Do you remember what it does?
Yeah, it's like a random sort of thing from the whole group.
It should eliminates the bottom 25 and eliminates the top 25%. You should have 50% of your people. The middle 50% will get in between 45 and 71. That's what it means.
Yeah.
Is that right, guys? First quarter means you're better than 25% of everybody. So the guy who got in the first quarter got 45. This guy in 45 is better than 25% of everybody. The guy who's the upper quartile, only 25% of people are better than him. So he got 71. So there's 25% better than 71 and 25% smaller than 45. That means 50% is located between 45 and 71. 50% of the population who took that exam should be in there. That's what interquartile range means. Okay? I'm just reminding you what it actually means, okay? You aren't asked that. I'm just reminding you. This one. Oh, this is interesting. Now, how many tests did each participate in? Jack has 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10. Jack did 10. Martina? Martina also did 10, didn't they? So 10. How many tests did Martina achieve below 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The range of Jack's marks was 31. Find the value of x. How'd you do that?
43 take away 31.
43 take away a certain number equals 31. And then what Josh said is true. You bring this box over to your side. Bring the 31 over to your side. So 43 minus 31 is 12. What does that make x? 2. 1, 2 is 12. Okay? 2. The median mark for Jack is 34. Find the value of y. How much did Jack do again? How many exams did Jack do? 10. 10 divided by 2? 5th and 6. Because it's 5. And because 5 doesn't need to be rounded up, it's the middle 2. 10 is also an even number. And in even numbers, do we have a middle 1 or a middle 2? Middle 2. Okay? So what are the middle 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 32 plus some random number I don't know divided by 2 equals 34.
37. Put it all over 2.
Yeah, I can multiply up to 2 and say 32 plus this mysterious number is 68. This mysterious number has to be 36. And that means that y is 6. The lower quartile mark for Martina is 23. Find the value of z. How many tests did Martina do again? 10. And how did you turn it into quartiles? You get 2 points. And that should round up to the third value. What's the third value on Martina? 2z, yeah. Third value is 23. Therefore z has to be equal to 3. And you're done.